Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some of the students query. So here persistent students query. Okay. So yes, Shirsagar, do we get free internet from the company? If yes, then when do we expect the same if the date of joining is on? Yes, Shirsagar. Yes, see, yes, for full-time employment offers, okay, for full-time employment offer, okay, for full-time employment offer, like they will provide all the such facilities, okay, like including the internet charges and all they will provide. Okay, if you show the internet bill, okay, and suppose if you are installing, like suppose first time if there is any installation fees and all, okay, first time if you are taking any like broadband connection and all, so that actually most of the software companies for full time offers they will do. Okay, but I'm not sure about the internship, means whether are they providing in the during the internship duration, in particular internship duration I'm not sure about that. Okay, but for during the job, okay, during the full-time employment offer, definitely those facilities definitely will get. Okay, so the facilities you will get during the uh, full-time offer, means it is, I'm not sure about like whether they are providing and all, not sure. And I think the internship still students, I think I even I don't have updates regarding whether students are received or not, actually, because in the comment section also no one is mentioned, comment section, as whether it is in the December 27 or in the January month, still it is not mentioned. Means even students are also not discussed in the comment section. Yes, Hitesh is also asking the same question. Okay, like Hitesh, still there is no update, when the internship and all. Okay, because now the internship and all, no, as mentioned, like it will start in the January month and all. Like in some of the colleges, they received some update. Okay, okay, so in the January month, and I think no one is joined still. For like earlier the date was the December 27 and all, some people were received, but I think no one is joined, I think. So yeah, the students definitely they will get official confirmation. Till the official confirmation, no, we should not say anything. Okay, students, because company directly they will send mail to students registered mail ID. Okay, students registered mail ID, they will receive the exact details and all. And yeah, I think that is sure the internship will be it is 100% sure online. In one of the college, even like some students will also they shared, it will be online, 100% it will be online. Because as you can see, like the situation, like even still the Omicron, the virus effect still it is there. And as per the prediction, they are saying it will be increase means the count, the cases will increase in the January and or February month. Okay, so we have to take care of that. And the company also, I think they won't call physically, maybe it will go online only. If there is any chance of increase in the base package of persistent, because few companies like Virtusa increased 1 lakh after the selecting. Yeah, that there is no not sure about, but you can wait to get the update from the company only. Okay, others, because what happens, no, like the Infosys of, maybe there are chances are there, but not sure, because the Infosys also, no, like they increased from 5 LPA to 6.25 LPA for digital specialist engineer. Okay, so, and also as you are mentioning, like virtues also increased. Okay, even most of the students like 6.5 and all, some people they got. Okay, so there may be chances, because what happens now, like if the students, if they are if they get some high package, means definitely students will, like if in this case only, suppose if we consider, if the students is having these offers. Okay, suppose for consider the others. So for others there are three offers. Okay, then definitely he will prefer either Virtusa or Infosys, because if we compare with 4.71, okay, definitely he will prefer these two. So to retain such candidates, so persistent will also take some action, like they may also increase, but we need to wait. It depend. Okay, it depend upon the situation how it will go. Okay, we even the answer for this is like there no one can answer only except the persistent system. They will communicate to the students and TPO. They will communicate, if suppose if there is any such option. Okay, they will communicate to TPO or only directly to the students. But there may be some chances are there, because otherwise students will not join. If they are getting some good package 6 7, what we do in the internship. See, internship is basically like it's like a trainee means you will learn some new skills. Okay, you will learn new skills, and you are a part of the project. Part of the project means they will assign some small task. Okay, for data collection or for to develop the web pages, any kind of work. Okay, and also they will guide you. They will give a proper guide. Okay, they will give a proper guidance and all. Okay, to complete the task and all. Okay, so this training in this particular internship you will learn a lot of things. So it is good, like to participate in the, or to get to work in the internship. Okay, you will learn a lot of things, like you can improve your communication skill, you can improve your technical skill. Okay, and because internship is different and your training is different, the internship and your training like after completion of your graduation, means during the joining time. Okay, this training is different. So internships both are different. So here in the internship period, you will not stick with only one technology. You will learn different technology. Okay, you will explore more here. Okay, here it is like a study and work. You learn some new skills and work, depend upon the requirement. It depend upon the requirement. Okay, very small task, any task. Okay, it may be easy, it may be difficult. Any task they will give. Kashinath, I am selected in persistent company as a full-time employee. Is there any chance of rejection in the background document verification? See, as per the like 2021 batch and all. Okay, if we see observe, like the students, they joined virtually, and there is no such cases of rejection in background verification. Okay, there is no rejection, but you should meet the eligibility criteria. Okay, the eligibility criteria you should meet, because in the future it may, like what happens, no, like eligibility criteria means your 10th, 12th, it should be I think 60 percentage, and the B and all, I think you people are having your it is above 60 only. Okay, only this is the only the eligibility criteria, that's all. If there is no, if it is everything is the eligibility criteria, if you are satisfying, then there will be no problem. Okay, that's all. There is no other things they will consider, because the other documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card and all, that in that you can't do any uh, okay, so that will be all everything correct, because PAN card it is required for your salary and all, so in that you cannot do any changes. Okay, but you should meet the eligibility criteria. This is very important. You now suppose, even though if you do some any like change in the marks and all, if you joined, but in the future you may face problem. In the future you may face a problem, but you should check it out before the joining. You should have this eligibility criteria, because what happens, no, like you are joining to the industry, and if you are not meeting the eligibility criteria, then it, because it will be a problem in the future, because as you will in the future you will switch from one company to another company. Okay, so that's why if you are satisfying the criteria, then no problem, because that is their eligibility condition. Yeah, Piyush, internship, it is still not confirmed. Okay, the internship and all, the date is not confirmed. Okay, the internship date, and students will receive the official communication. Okay, till that we can't say any. Okay, students will receive the official communication from the company or TPU. Okay, Hitesh, in internship period, if we will take leave, will they allow? Yes, you can take a leave and all. I think leave means it is like it depend, like you can suppose if you are part of the team, and you can for that particular time you can apply for the leave and all. Okay, because as they are paying, no, as if they are paying means they will allow. And even leave means, for example, suppose if you have any exams, right, because you are a student, and like in universities, in university, like in every university is not the same. Like some universities conduct the exam in the, some university in the conduct exam in the January month, some university conduct in the February month. Okay, and some universities they are completed the examination in the December month. Okay, so during such examination and all, okay, you can request. It is not a leave, they will allow you. Okay, for during the examination, during the, suppose if you have a mid-sem test, so everything they will provide. Like suppose if you have any test and all, unit test or anything, suppose if you have, then you can take a permission. You can take a permission, and means you have to manage both, because still you are not a graduation student, you are a student, still you are a student. Okay, so they will allow it is not a leave, you should take a permission. Suppose if you have any such cases, definitely this problem you will face. this test and all, then you have to take the permission and they will allow you in internship period. Yeah, Rupesh, our internship starts from 14th January. Okay, so when we receive our first stipend, 31st. Yeah, Rupesh, actually normally the company, suppose if you start in the 14th, suppose you are joined in the 14th January, and there is a stipend and all you will receive at the end of the month, and it depends. Okay, but it is sure, because what happens, no, like even suppose if you are joined, suppose in the end of the month also, suppose in the 20th January. So if you are joined in the 20th January, then also you will receive the 3 days salary. Okay, like suppose 28 means 28, 29, 30, 4 days salary you will receive. Okay, so it depend. Okay, so because for full time it is definitely, like suppose if the 14th means at the end you will get, at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you will get your salary. But for internships and all, maybe the rules and regulation we have to check. Okay, so because this is the first time, no, like they may have some rules. Okay, and definitely they will for even one day also they will provide, even one day. Okay, and even actually most of the students still not received any communication regarding the internship, as you are saying the 14th January. Okay, maybe like have you received official communication from the persistent, Rupesh, about the 14th January? Any official communication, official mail from persistent? Yes, Rupesh. If it is good, like suppose if you are received means like others will get to know. So does we get any opportunity to upgrade our base package to higher package? No. Means as on, like as per the previous batches, if you see, there is no such chances, but it may change. Suppose if, because the rules, because they may change, like they can increase the salary, or they may take some test like in TCS, as how they can upgrade from TCS NQT to TCS digital. Okay, in the same way in the persistence also they may allow to increase. Okay, depend. Okay, so yeah, after first year definitely they will increase. After first year they increase your, like the increment and all. Okay, increment for base after 1 year. Yeah, you will get around one lakh around you will get. Okay, more after 1 year, and the increment and all it is there, because otherwise the people will leave the company. Okay, definitely the, but like such type of, I think this like from base package to, like in initially, because in the TCS they are providing, if the student is having if it is joined with TCS NQT, means the base package, then he can get an opportunity to appear for the test, and he can get upgrade, he can increase his salary. Okay, so but such facility is not available in the persistent. Mid. Okay. If in the mid internship we have to leave, then whether it affects on our job? Yes, you should not, means you should See, you are joined the internship, and if you leave in the middle, then it will show how, like, it shows your seriousness about the job, and your commitment means you are not committed to the work. Okay, so you are not committed means if you get some good offer, then definitely you leave in the middle. So, but if you are like internship and all, like if you are joined means you should complete, because it is a reputation of the college also. Okay, they will, because still you are in a student period, right? They may communicate to your TPO also. Okay, they will communicate to your TPO, because you are still you are a student, you are not completed your graduation. Okay, you are in still in the college, and if there is any such thing, suppose if you leave the internship in the middle, 100% they will communicate to. It depend upon the person, the team lead. If there is any genuine reason, it is that is different. Okay, but if you are without any reason, if you leave in the middle, that will be a problem. And if you are not interested in the initial period only, before the joining only, you should communicate. Okay, so that they will provide a chance to the others. Rupesh, no, I didn't receive any official mail due to offline internship. I requested our HOD to communicate them, so they asked and mailed me personally about the internship starting from the 14th January. Okay. Yeah, I think you only, I think you communicated in the comment section few days back. Good. Okay, means it is, this is the communicate means it is like communication from your head of the department. Okay, but students will receive the actually the all students will receive the official communication to their registered mail ID from the persistent. Okay, registered mail ID definitely you will receive. So till that it will be tentative. Yes, in the, if there is any emergency and all, so you can like you should not leave. Suppose if there is any emergency, then like see, emergency means, for example, like suppose if you have the examination in the middle. Okay, if you are having some examination, then they will allow like 7 to 8 days for the preparation. Likewise, they will allow in the middle complete, they will allow 7 to 8 days gap. Okay, so if you have such emergency means like it is like at some time period, right? Like 4 days, 5 days. Okay, suppose 7 to 8 days also it is maximum. So because if you are having four subjects, if you are having four subjects, then they will allow 4 days, 4 days for the examination and all. Okay, and even though if you are having such an emergency means you should, it should be some official communication, means it should be forwarded through your TPO and all. Okay, suppose if you want to leave in the middle, it should be a proper way, like through your HOD or through your TPO, you should communicate to the company. Then definitely they will consider. Persistent, they fire employee. Do in persistent. No, now as per the situation, no, there is more requirement. Okay, more requirement in company, in software industry. Okay, so now as present situation, they won't fire, but we should work. In the present situation, they won't fire anyone. Okay, but we should work. We should work. Okay, because in the present situation, like there are more people are required, so the fire and all, because when they fire, suppose if they want to like If there is no requirement, if the requirement is less to the company, okay, if the requirement is less to company, the resource required is less, then that time they will find some reasons, they find reasons to fire. Okay, now as they are investing a lot of money to hire the people, okay, they are investing huge amount of money through these online platform and all, and they are hiring, so they won't reject. Is there any way to increase salary package after joining? Yeah, yeah. The after joining means it is like after 1 year or 1.5 year. Okay, after 1 year as your appraisal or based upon your performance. Okay, based on your performance and all, they will you will get increments and all. Okay, based upon your performance. That it will take 1 year, 1.5 year. We are not able to do work, then they will fire employee. No, don't think about in a negative way. Okay, definitely you are eligible. Okay, see, you are a eligible candidate. Okay, you are a eligible candidate, and that's why they are recruited. No, okay, so you are eligible to do the work. So definitely you will do the work. Definitely you will do the work, and don't think also like even though if you don't know anything, you can learn and update your skills. You can upgrade the skills. Okay, that's all. So because it's don't think about in a negative way. And definitely they are selected you means like you have some skills. Not only the like don't think about only like some coding skills and all. Okay, there are different sections are there. Suppose if you are good in the communication skill, okay, if you are good in the management skills, okay, there are various even some technical, non-technical. So definitely you will do it, so no need to worry about that. Yeah. Update on internship means as one of the student Rupesh. Okay. Rupesh has like he mentioned, he just told like January 14th. So tentative date or tentative. Okay, tentative date for the internships, and you will receive the some confirmation. Till you get confirmation, this is the tentative date, and it will be online. Arnab, I selected in persistence. Persistent. Okay, Arnab, congrats. Tanya, accolade or persistent, which one to join? Tanya, you please check it out because I'm not sure. Means I don't know about this company. You can just Google it and in Glassdoor. In Glassdoor, no, you just check it out the review. Okay, in Glassdoor you can just check it out the review of company. Uh, okay, and discuss with your seniors before joining. Okay, because about the persistent you know everything now as we discuss in the videos and all, but this company you just check it out. Okay, because still you have the time, you can just have discussion and you find the people in linkedin and all, you will get the some reviews and all you will get. Okay, no further mail about internship till now. Do you have any other updates? Yeah, I can't pronounce your name. Okay, so that's why See, like one of the student in the just in this particular session only, as he mentioned, like it will be as he received some updates from his head of the department, and he told like January 14th maybe the plan for internship. Okay, so but it is still not confirmed. Students will receive the updates in the mail. Okay, they will receive the updates through their mail. Okay, but this is sure like it will be online only, but till we get updates, so you wait for some time, some days. Okay. Okay guys, we'll end this video, and if you have any updates and all, just put it in a comment so that it will be help for others also. But about persistent company, you know, right? Yeah, persistent company, as you know, like means if you compare with any other company, so persistent is good to join. But one thing is like now if you join with base package, if you join with a base package, okay, like 4.71 LPA, okay, uh, if you join with this base package, you will get to increment like after 1 year, or 1.5 year also it will take. Okay, 1.5 year also it will take to get your increment. That's all. And but work is a very healthy environment in the company. Okay. Okay, so if you are not got offer, let it means if you are not received the offer. Okay, you are from 2022 batch. Yeah, 2022 batch means this batch only, no, like 2021 22 batch, right? No, I'm not worked. Okay, I'm not worked in persistent, but I'm an assistant professor. Okay, so I have like contacts with my students, contacts with the so student those who work like students from 1819 batch, 1920, 2021. So I'm having a contact with the students. Okay guys, we'll end this video, and if you have any any updates, so that you can just put it in a comment so that it will be helpful for the others, like any update regarding the process, like internship or any other updates. Okay.